Indian Air Force Air Chief Marshal V.R. Chowdhury has said that the recent developments at global stage indicate the need for a strong military to ward off any challenges. Addressing media in New Delhi today about Air Force Day to be celebrated on the 8th of October, he said IAF is innovating to stay ahead of the curve as the battlefield of tomorrow, transforming and becoming more technology-driven. He assured the countrymen that IAF is ready to take on the future and it will continue to touch the sky with glory. The IAF chief said disengagement has taken place in areas along the line of actual control and Indian Air Force is keeping an eye on Chinese Air Force activities.
Benchmark की बात कर रहे हैं, how to judge whether situation is normal. I think the best benchmark would be to return to status quo ante and complete withdrawal from all the points all along the LAC. So that is the ideal situation that we would look for. ये जरूर मैं कहूँगा कि we continue monitoring through all our ISR efforts what are the developments which take place across the LAC and जो हमारी तैयारी है in terms of infrastructure building, in terms of equipment, in terms of training and tactics is a continued effort irrespective whether we see any belligerence on the part of China or not.